Boys and girls, this is another unboxing video for our garden. It is from the Cheney Instrument Company in Wisconsin. And it got delivered to my house by mistake, so I'll be taking it to school Monday. Do you know what this is? It's a weather station for our school. Right here at the top, this part is a rain gauge, like the green plastic one we have in our garden. At the bottom, this is a weather vane. It'll tell us which direction the wind's blowing from. And at the top, this is an anemometer. It spins and it tells us how fast the wind's blowing. So like if it's 5 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour. Here is a solar panel that makes it work. And then there's a battery backup compartment on the bottom. There's a hole for a little stand that it can be mounted on. We might put this on our shed. And then it also comes with a digital readout display. And once it's plugged in and working, it'll look like this. It'll tell us so many things about the weather, like the temperature, the wind speed, how much moisture is in the air, how much humidity, the wind chill, so it tells us what it feels like. Even though it's 48 outside, maybe the wind makes it feel like 46. And it'll also tell us the barometric pressure, meaning how much it feels like the atmosphere is pressing down on us. It'll also have a digital display to show what kind of weather we're going to have today. I'm excited to get this plugged in, and then we'll be able to have accurate weather readings for our campus. This came to our school for free from the Texas branch of something called the Civil Air Patrol. There's a lot of pilots out there. These are the people who don't work for the military, but they might support the Air Force by doing different things and doing fundraisers for things like this for schools who need it. Now we'll have a weather station. Anything to do with the wind or weather they like to support. How exciting is that?